Panoramic, Australia. Chapter 3. Australia's unique wildlife, kangaroos and koalas. Australia's iconic animals. Kangaroos and koalas are perhaps the most iconic animals of Australia, and for good reason. These two marsupials are unique to Australia and have become symbols of the country's rich and diverse wildlife. Kangaroos are the largest marsupials in the world, with some species standing over 6 feet tall. They are known for their powerful hind legs, which they use to hop around at speeds of up to 35 miles per hour. Kangaroos are also social animals, living in groups called mobs. Koalas, on the other hand, are much smaller and less active than kangaroos. They spend most of their time sleeping or eating eucalyptus leaves. Koalas are also very cuddly animals, and they are often a favorite with tourists. Both kangaroos and koalas play an important role in the Australian ecosystem. Kangaroos help to disperse seeds and control vegetation, while koalas help to keep eucalyptus forests healthy. In addition to their ecological importance, kangaroos and koalas are also important cultural symbols for Aboriginal Australians. Kangaroos are often featured in Aboriginal art and stories, and they are considered to be a symbol of strength and vitality. Koalas are also revered by Aboriginal Australians, and they are often seen as a symbol of peace and tranquility. Today, kangaroos and koalas are facing a number of threats, including habitat loss, climate change, and disease. Conservation efforts are underway to protect these iconic animals, but more needs to be done to ensure their survival. The kangaroo's powerful physique. The kangaroo's powerful physique is one of its most striking features. Their hind legs are incredibly strong, allowing them to jump great distances and reach speeds of up to 35 miles per hour. Their long, muscular tails act as a counterbalance, helping them to maintain their balance while hopping. Kangaroos also have thick, dense fur that helps to protect them from the harsh Australian climate. The koala's specialized diet. Koalas have a specialized diet that consists almost entirely of eucalyptus leaves. These leaves are low in nutrients and high in toxins, but koalas have a unique digestive system that allows them to break down the toxins and extract the nutrients. Koalas also have a very slow metabolism, which helps them to conserve energy. The ecological importance of kangaroos and koalas. Kangaroos and koalas play an important role in the Australian ecosystem. Kangaroos help to disperse seeds and control vegetation, while koalas help to keep eucalyptus forests healthy. Kangaroos also create and maintain trails through dense vegetation, which can be used by other animals. Koalas help to pollinate eucalyptus trees, which are an important food source for many other animals. The cultural significance of kangaroos and koalas. Kangaroos and koalas are important cultural symbols for Aboriginal Australians. Kangaroos are often featured in Aboriginal art and stories, and they are considered to be a symbol of strength and vitality. Koalas are also revered by Aboriginal Australians, and they are often seen as a symbol of peace and tranquility. Chapter 3. Australia's unique wildlife, the platypus, a unique monotreme. The platypus, a semi-aquatic mammal endemic to eastern Australia, is one of the most unique and fascinating creatures on Earth. It is one of only 5 extant species of monotremes, a group of mammals that lay eggs instead of giving birth to live young. The platypus has a distinctive appearance, with a duck-like bill, webbed feet, and a beaver-like tail. Its bill is covered in soft, leathery skin and contains electroreceptors that allow it to detect prey in the water. The platypus also has a thick layer of fur that helps to keep it warm in the cold waters of its habitat. Platypuses are skilled swimmers and divers, and they spend most of their time in the water. They use their webbed feet to propel themselves through the water and their bill to search for food. Platypuses are carnivores and their diet consists mainly of aquatic insects, worms, and small crustaceans. One of the most remarkable features of the platypus is its reproductive system. Platypuses are one of the few mammals that lay eggs. The female platypus lays her eggs in a burrow that she builds on the bank of a river or stream. The eggs are incubated by the female for about 10 days, and then the hatchlings emerge from the eggs and are cared for by their mother. The platypus is a unique and endangered species. Its habitat is threatened by pollution, habitat loss, and climate change. Conservation efforts are underway to protect the platypus and its habitat and ensure the survival of this extraordinary creature. The dance of light and shadows. As the sun sets over the river, the platypus emerges from its burrow and glides silently into the water. The moonlight dances on the surface of the water, creating a shimmering path that the platypus follows. The platypus swims gracefully through the water, its bill sweeping back and forth, searching for food. The platypus is a master of camouflage. Its dark fur blends in perfectly with the shadows of the riverbank, and its bill is so sensitive that it can detect even the slightest movement in the water. The platypus is a skilled hunter, and it can catch its prey with lightning speed. The platypus is a fascinating creature that is a testament to the diversity of life on Earth. Its unique appearance and reproductive system make it one of the most intriguing animals in the world. Chapter 3. Australia's unique wildlife, the echidna, a spiny anteater. The echidna, also known as the spiny anteater, is a unique and fascinating creature found in Australia and New Guinea. It is one of only 2 living species of monotremes, mammals that lay eggs instead of giving birth to live young. The other monotreme is the platypus. Appearance and adaptations. Echidnas are covered in sharp spines, which help to protect them from predators. They also have a long, snout-like nose that they use to forage for food. Their tongues are sticky and covered in barbs, which help them to catch ants and termites. Echidnas have strong claws that they use to dig burrows and to tear open termite mounds. Diet and feeding habits. Echidnas are insectivores, meaning that they eat insects. Their diet consists mainly of ants and termites, but they will also eat other small invertebrates, such as worms and spiders. Echidnas use their long, sticky tongues to catch their prey. They flick their tongues in and out of the ground or into termite mounds, and the barbs on their tongues help to trap the insects. Reproduction and life cycle. Echidnas are solitary animals, and they only come together to mate. The female echidna lays a single egg, which she incubates in a pouch on her belly. The egg hatches after about 10 days, and the baby echidna, called a pupple, stays with its mother for several months. The pupple drinks its mother's milk and gradually grows larger and more independent. Habitat and distribution. Echidnas are found in a variety of habitats in Australia and New Guinea, including forests, grasslands, and deserts. They are nocturnal animals, meaning that they are most active at night. Echidnas are relatively common animals, and they are not considered to be endangered. Cultural significance. Echidnas are an important part of Aboriginal culture. They are featured in Dreamtime stories and are considered to be totem animals for some Aboriginal tribes. Echidnas are also popular tourist attractions, and they can be found in many zoos and wildlife parks in Australia. Chapter 3. Australia's unique wildlife, the kookaburra, a laughing bird. Australia's unique wildlife is home to the kookaburra, a bird famed for its laughter-like call. This iconic Australian bird thrives in forests, woodlands, and urban areas. The kookaburra, medium-sized, measures 40 to 45 centimeters and boasts a distinctive plumage. Laughing kookaburras have a brown back, white chest, and blue eye patches. Their signature call, a series of raucous laughs, defends territory and attracts mates. Kookaburras live in social groups of up to 12 individuals. These birds are opportunistic feeders, consuming insects, reptiles, and other animals. Kookaburras demonstrate hunting prowess with strong beaks. They exhibit intelligence, learning and adapting to their environment. Kookaburras are territorial, fiercely defending their homes. The kookaburra is a beloved symbol of Australia, featured in art and tourism. Hearing the kookaburra's call is a popular experience for visitors to Australia. Chapter 3. Australia's unique wildlife, the Tasmanian devil, a marsupial carnivore. The Tasmanian devil, a unique and iconic marsupial carnivore, is found exclusively on the island state of Tasmania, Australia. Known for its distinctive black fur, white markings, and fierce temperament, this captivating creature has become a symbol of Australia's unique wildlife. Despite its small size, the Tasmanian devil is a formidable predator, possessing a powerful bite and sharp claws. It is an opportunistic feeder, preying on a variety of small animals including rodents, insects, and birds. The devil's voracious appetite and scavenging habits have earned it the nickname the garbage disposal of the bush. One of the most fascinating aspects of the Tasmanian devil is its social behavior. These animals live in loose social groups called clans, which typically consist of related individuals. Within the clan, there is a strict dominance hierarchy, with the dominant male and female having priority access to food and mates. Tasmanian devils are also known for their unique vocalizations. They produce a variety of sounds including growls, hisses, and screams which they use to communicate with each other. These vocalizations play an important role in maintaining social bonds, defending territories, and attracting mates. Unfortunately, the Tasmanian devil has faced significant population declines in recent decades due to a contagious cancer known as devil facial tumor disease (DFTD). This disease is spread through biting, and it has decimated devil populations across Tasmania. Conservation efforts are underway to protect the remaining devils and to develop strategies to combat DFTD. Despite the challenges it faces, the Tasmanian devil remains an iconic symbol of Australia's unique wildlife. Its fierce spirit and captivating behavior have endeared it to people around the world, and efforts are being made to ensure its survival for generations to come. This video was created from an ebook on sale at www.pagebook24.com using a self-developed program by Pasquale DeMarco. Download the ebook now.